have a heart. It doesn't matter where you come from or who you think you are. These days, it's hard just fitting in. Why does someone have